Hello guys, welcome to Sonic Mania Plus. And today we're going to learn about the airplane glitch. Make sure to have Debug on in this thing. And make sure to be, oh my god. Why the heck did they do that? You know I don't do that. Sonic completed. And this is the Angel Island. This is the Angel Island chick. This is what I was showing you in the other video. But look, Angel Island in Sonic Mania Plus. And do you know how you get a blue supersonic? First you gotta put a swinging thing. Oh wait, and what does that mean? What does that mean? And if you like this video, like and subscribe. But if you like this video, like and subscribe. But make sure to leave. But you only have one chance to do it. Bye bye. But make sure to do this at home. Bye bye.